Hi, it's Oma. Time for a new story. This one's called Cows in the Kitchen. I don't know if you've ever had a cow in the kitchen. I don't know that I've ever had a cow in the kitchen. I have had chickens in my kitchen. Dogs, cats, pet mice, some snakes. Let's find out what happens when you let cows in the kitchen. So if you have this book, go find it because we're going to read it together. Cows in the kitchen. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Pigs in the pantry. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the pantry. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the pantry. Oink, oink, oink. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Hens on the hat stand. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Hens on the hat stand. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Hens on the hat stand. Cluck, cluck, cluck. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Sheep on the sofa. Ba, ba, ba. Sheep on the sofa. Ba, ba, ba. Sheep on the sofa. Ba, ba, ba. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Farmer in the haystack. Farmer in the haystack. Farmer in the haystack. Time to wake up, Tom Farmer. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Farmer in the armchair, shh, shh, shh. Farmer in the armchair, shh, shh, shh. Farmer in the armchair, shh, shh, shh. Lift the latch. Shh, shh, shh. Push the door. Shh, shh, shh. Creep down the hall. Shh, shh, shh. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. That is a fun book. In the end, the mouse got away with the cheese. And you need to remember that Oma loves you, so come back for more stories.